Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how to make coconut milk lotion. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome, and my name is Obapa Equieskini. So I'm going to use sunflower oil. You can use sweet almond oil or olive oil if you want. I choose to use sunflower oil. Also, I'm using turmeric butter, which I make last week. You can use shea butter or cocoa butter if you don't have turmeric butter. You also need emulsifying wax, which is not changeable. You can't change emulsifying wax because the emulsifying wax is going to help mix the water and oil together. You also need distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, you can replace it with rose water, aloe vera juice to work. You need coconut milk. You can choose to make your own coconut milk. This one I use the canned one, so you can choose to use only distilled water. You need actifying preservative, but you can choose to use any preservative of your choice. Just follow the manufacturer instructions. I'm using fragrance oil. You can choose to use essential oil or combine the two together, fragrance and essential oil together. It will work. Add distilled water to the coconut milk and stir the mixture together. Make sure you stir it together very well because we want to make sure that everything is mixed. Add turmeric butter to the sunflower oil. So you can see my turmeric butter. Even though I use turmeric to infuse it, you will never see the yellow color when I make the lotion. It will look white. That's one thing about turmeric butter. Create a water bath by filling a large pot with water and place both jars in it. Double boil the oil mixture and the water mixture. It's always better to double boil your liquid and your oil ingredients so that you don't lose the nutrients in it. What you do is you have to double boil it on a low medium heat, not a high heat, very low heat. All you need is patience. Make sure that you stir your oil to make sure everything is melted. Slowly pour in the water phase when both temperature is around 140 degrees. Coconut milk has a high level of vitamin C, which help maintain elasticity of the skin and also can clear blemishes and at the same time make your skin glow. So keep blending until the two phases are combined. Let me answer this question before I forgot. One of you asked last week that how do you add whitening powders or liquid when you are making lotion or cream? When you have whitening powders, you add it to the water phase. When you are you heat your water phase. After you heat your water phase, you add your powder to it. Then you stir it very well before you add it to the oil phase to blend. And if you have liquid, whitening liquid, you add it to the cool down phase. The cool down phase is when you are adding the preservative and the essential oil or the fragrance oil to the lotion or cream. That's the last part. So always add the powders, even when it's not skin whitening powders, any powder that we use for making cream or lotion, add it to the water phase. That's the warm water phase. The same as the liquid, you add it to the cool down phase when you are adding your preservatives or your essential oil. I hope I explained it better for you. So I have already added my preservative and my essential oil, so I'll let it cool down completely. So when it's cooled down, this is what you are going to get. Not too thick and not too liquid. And you are going to get the benefit from the turmeric. You know, turmeric can brighten skin. the same time can make skin glow very well and clear blemishes. So this coconut milk lotion is very good for acne skin. If you have acne skin, it's best for you to use, and if you have dry skin, it's very good for moisturizing. You can also add lighting serum to it to turn it into a lighting lotion. So you can use this as your base lotion, and you add your lighting tube or your whitening tube or serum to it. You can also use it as your regular skin brightening moisturizer without not adding the skin lighting or skin whitening ingredients. You can also use this to treat your sunburns, because coconut milk is very good for sunburn treatment. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my videos, and click on the notification bell. Bye bye.